To use the Arc tool, simply bring your cursor to the left-hand panel and click the Arc tool. Then go to your chart, click your chart and drag the line across. Then grab the middle of the line while it's selected and edit the line as you see fit. Once it's set, if you keep the line selected, you can go up to this panel and make edits. For example, if you click this pencil and drag this across, you can make it so it turns into a semicircle. If you want to make that transparent, you can. And you can also obviously change its color. If you go to the next colored option, you can change the actual color of the Arc tool itself. Select whatever color you'd like. The next option allows you to change the thickness of the Arc tool to quite thin to very thick. The next option lets you make the lines solid, dashed, or dotted. And obviously, we then have a delete option. Any questions, never hesitate to email support@protrader.com.au.